This is a great cooler if you're looking to upgrade maybe from stock cooler that came with your build, or if you bought something a little smaller. It's got a huge heat sink, 4 heat pipes, intake and an exhaust fan. And while playing like an intensive game, my CPU's right around like 56 or 60 Celsius, which is pretty solid. I'm usually 10 or 20 degrees higher. Install's super easy. You just got to remove your old cooler, clean off the thermal paste with some alcohol and Q-tip, and make sure it's nice and clean. And then, yeah, this kit even comes with thermal paste, so install is super easy. Just connect it to the headers on your board for power, the PWM, and then your A-RGB, and you're good to go. You can get it dialed in with the rest of your system. Definitely worth the price. Great deal.
Inshallah.